Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. First off, I've gotten so many questions asking if I have seen Nicole State's apology video. Yes, I have. I made a whole video talking about that, talking about my thoughts. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it down below. But yes, I have seen it. I have my thoughts on it, and I'm just done. I'm just done talking about her. Okay, first question. What do you think about eBay's Vero List? Do you avoid certain products that cannot sell on eBay because they're on the Vero List? Thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, I don't know exactly what the Vero List is. Let's look it up because I don't know. I think it's like products you can't sell on eBay. Vero List. So it's the Verified Rights Owner Program. It allows owners of intellectual property rights and their authorized representatives report eBay listings. So is it like when you use a stock photo of a brand? Examples of infringement. Items that bear the rights owner's trademark, such as a logo but were not authorized by the rights owner, unauthorized copies of audio, video, or other media, unauthorized use of a rights owner's images or text in a listing. So it's just stock photos, right? It's basically what that means, I think. You said certain products are on the Vero List. I'm confused. I need someone to explain, I guess, exactly what it is, because it sounds to me, like from your question, it sounds to me more like it's a list of products that you can't sell, not necessarily like stock photos, I guess, if that makes sense. I don't know. I need to do more research on it. But as far as eBay goes, I've kind of stopped selling on eBay. I don't know. I didn't really love it. I liked it like 20 years ago, but I don't know. I like Poshmark and Mercari a lot better. So yeah, I've kind of stopped selling on eBay. Yeah, I'll do a little bit more research about the Vero List or Vero program. And yeah, I'll let you guys know my thoughts. This was a question. Why do you make videos talking about other resellers? It just shows that you have no class. First of all, what? Me making a video talking about another reseller has no correlation as to whether or not I have class. Like, no. Yes, I've made videos talking about Nicole State, but it's not like I'm just shit talking her to shit talk her. I'm talking about like current events that were happening at the time, like the merch situation. So yeah, so it's, I guess I could kind of see if you're like an outsider and you haven't watched my videos, you'd be like, oh wow, this girl made a lot of videos talking about Nicole State. But in most of the videos, it's included in my like reselling Q&A that I do. I mean, this is my YouTube channel. I can talk about whatever the fuck I want to talk about, which brings up a good thing. So thank you. What was your name? Melanie? I think I'm going to start doing a weekly series on this channel where once a week, obviously that's weekly. Yeah, once a week I do, like maybe on a Friday or Saturday, I'll upload a video talking about like the recent events from this week. Not necessarily reselling, just like events and stuff, because I like to talk about stuff that's like currently going on in the world. Like, guys, this Gabby Petito case, holy shit. So crazy, so heartbreaking, just so crazy. And then there was the whole drama with Jordan Cheyenne. Like, I like to talk about this stuff. My channel isn't just reselling. I think some people get confused. I've gotten some comments recently of people be like, why can't you just get back to reselling videos? Stop making videos talking about other people's mean comments. Just do reselling videos. It's like, that's not my channel. My channel actually started out many moons ago as a makeup channel. I did makeup reviews, I did makeup tutorials, I did fashion videos, and that's what my channel was for years and years. And then I started reselling and I added more reselling content. Now it's primarily reselling, but I still have makeup videos every once in a while. I still do my boxy charm video every month. I'm starting to do more favorites videos. So my channel isn't just reselling. And if you don't like that, then you don't have to watch the other videos. But I'm not just a reselling channel. I have makeup videos and I want to start talking about, you know, like current events and shit that's going on, because I like to talk about that stuff. So yeah, so I just wanted to throw that out there because, like I said, I had gotten a lot of comments lately where people are like, come on, get back to your reselling videos. I miss your regular content. Yeah, comment down below and let me know if you want to see that. Okay, last question. All right, I'm going to throw this in this video. I was going to make a whole video talking about this, but I didn't feel like it could be a whole video, so I just wanted to throw it in this video. I get so many questions from you guys asking how to make bundles for people, tips on how to create bundles for people. I like to call myself the bundle queen, self-coined. I've had a lot of big bundles before. My biggest bundle was 37 things. I've had bundles of like 25 things, 26 things. I just had a bundle the other day of 15 things. I have double-digit bundles frequently. So yeah, I wanted to just give you guys some tips that I have on how to make bundles. First off, if you are a like luxury high-end reseller, bundles probably won't happen for you. A lot of people aren't going to buy a bunch of high-end expensive things all at once. First tip, if you want to have more bundles in your closet, is to list a variety of things. Have prices like all over the place. I don't really sell a lot of high-end things, but I do have more expensive things, and then I have cheaper things. I think that that's definitely one of the reasons why I have a lot of bundles, is because I have a variety of prices and people can just add a lot of things to a bundle because the prices are so like all over the place. You know, they're expensive, they're not expensive, they're in the middle. These aren't in any type of order, by the way. The next thing is to create a bundle discount. So you can actually go into your Poshmark settings and choose a bundle discount. And when you do that, it will show the bundle discount on your about page if somebody goes to your about page, and it also show your discount on every single listing that you have. So seeing that could definitely entice people to put together a bundle, because they'll be like, oh wow, if I bundle, you know, 2 or more things, I'll get 20% off. You can choose the bundle discount, by the way. You can do like 2 or more things for 20% off, 3 or more things for 25% off. The next thing I do is if somebody likes a bunch of my items, I just add them to a bundle. Unless they're liking my whole entire closet, I will put pretty much anything in a bundle. Like they could have like 20, 30 things, and I'll put them in a bundle and send them an offer. I know that some people get scared when people like a lot of things. They're like, oh, I can't add that many things to a bundle, but I'm telling you, there are people out there that buy big bundles. You can also do this if somebody only likes one thing. You can add it to a bundle, and then you can communicate with the potential buyer in the bundle. But remember, those comments are not private. Anyone can see what you say to your potential buyers, so be careful. But yeah, you can communicate with them and be like, hey, I saw that you liked, you know, this sweatshirt. Is there anything else in my closet that you like? You know, I offer a bundle discount of, you know, 20% off 2 or more things. Another good reason to that is because some people don't know that you can bundle things. A couple of times I have canceled the orders and just added things to a bundle, and I've communicated with the buyer and I said, hey, like you can add this to a bundle and only pay shipping one time. Another thing that you can do, it's called styling someone. This takes some tact. So basically what you do is you look at someone's style card and see what their sizes are. Some people fill out a style card, some people don't. Now this could either be hit or miss, because maybe they don't purchase stuff for themselves on Poshmark. Maybe they purchase stuff for gifts. Yeah, definitely be careful with that, because there's a lot to it when it comes to styling someone. Some people don't like to be styled. Like myself, I'm like, no thanks. It happens to me all the time. People style me. They're like, hey, look at these tops that I put in a bundle. I'm like, hey, that's stuff that I would never wear or I would never want to resell. So yeah, so that's kind of tricky, but I did just want to mention that because that is something that can happen. But again, you have to have, you know, tact with that. So those are pretty much all the tips I have for creating bundles. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.